2025, 9:18 p.m. in Japan. 3 rounds of championship action. Michael Cimello, Damian Brown. And a big roar inside the Saitama Super Arena. High kick from Shaidullayev. Both men trade inside leg kicks.
How about the noise of this crowd? I've never heard anything like it. We get cheers from the crowd for guys like Horiguchi and Asakura. Usually when something good like that happens, but these guys have been vocal from the walkout, the fight announcement, and now they're just chanting Mikaru, which is incredible. Both guys starting early, inside leg kicks.
Shaidullayev, single leg, boom, shakalaka. Can he keep him down?
Yeah, he held on to the leg. Now he's looking to take the back. Nice work by Sakura to get back to his feet. It's something that he's shown recently he has the ability to do, but he's that wrestling, Kyrgyzstan wrestling. Looking to take the back nice and quick.
Shaidullayev holds on to the back. Can he slam him? Get a suplex! Lovely suplex from Shaidullayev. He's a human backpack right now.
You imagine this is going to get exhausting real quick.
Trying to ragdoll and manhandle Asakura early.
Yeah, he'll be able to do it for the whole fight because this is what they grow up doing, but it's going to get tiring for both these guys with the constant mat returns.
Asakura staying composed, not panicked.
He's now got the hammerlock, the far side wrist control for Shaidullayev.
Shaidullayev climbs on board again.
He looked like he fully had the back bend, but he didn't. Asakura's doing a great job getting to the corner pad.
In Shaidullayev's corner, pops an uppercut from behind. 2, 3, 4, 5 right hands from the champion Shaidullayev.
Oh, that guy must punch like a truck. Got big reactions off those short shots.
This event featured 5 title fights, and so far we've had 3 new champions. Sabatello, Ogakubo, Nazumov. The only successful title defense tonight has been Seika Izawa.
The back take, flatten him out, heavy ground and pound.
Here it comes! Here comes the assault! Shaidullayev goes to town! This is what he does! This is vicious! This is violent! Asakura could be in trouble!
The referee
Look
went to
how
stop it.
Shaidullayev measures him! He measures him! Punishment! Punishment! That's good night, Irene! You can't stop him! You can't beat him! A human freaking freight train! He cannot be stopped! He cannot be stopped!
The referee almost stopped it a little earlier, and Shaidullayev kind of let Asakura off the hook and allowed him to get back to Turtle, flattened him out again straight away, and just the pressure, when he had the control and the clinch, he landed 5 short right hands, and he got the biggest reaction you've ever seen out of anyone in that position out of Asakura. Yeah, I mean, they were crazy heavy shots. Yeah, I mean, we thought he retired 12 months ago, right? And
he came back, had back-to-back wins, but this is back.
Yeah, this was his moment tonight to sort of resurrect.
Thank you, brother. Thank you very much. Nurgazaka aytыңыз, буга чейин кандай сөздөр болду, баары үчүн кечирим, бул бир гана оюн, буюрса сага ден соолук каалайм.
ミクルさん、今までの話とか今までいろいろあったかもしれないですけど、それもしなんか機嫌を損なうぐらいものなんか言ったら、それもごめんなさい。それ一番重要の健康に気をつけてください。
佐々木君のスパイの話は俺知らなかったと伝えてください。
佐々木にChempion dengan bilgen meskin kalau mengati sesuatu itu.
Sure. Okay. Thank you very much, bro. 이기릭 다시 카레랑아 이기릭.
나 총총 고活躍を 이노리시마스.
Thank you. Если вакыт болсо мен Японияда келем. Эгер топсу алсак замга барып чогуу биргеликте машыгабыз.
もし時間がありましたらまた今度私は日本に来ますので、よかったら一緒に練習しましょう。それ
Эгер Кыргызстанга баргың келсе, биз барып жакшы тосуп алып, сбор өтсө биз даярбыз буюрса.
キルギスに来る希望がありましたらぜひ来てください。キルギスコーチトレーニングして一緒にいろいろトレーニングしましょう。
Okay, thank you very much, brother.